Okay guys, so today I'm doing my 4th Halloween look. I think I'm going to go for a half skull. So I just put on liquid latex, which I will pop in a clip right here of me adding the latex. Filled in this brow because this side of the face is going to be glam, this side is going to be a skull, so we'll see how it works out. I think I'm going to work on this side first. So I put my brow on, and last time when I was kind of messing with the liquid latex because I've never really used it before, the foundation wasn't sticking very well to it, so you could see like a distinct difference. So I'm going to try to put the NYX glitter primer over it like this and just tap it on with my finger and see if maybe that will hold the foundation onto it a lot better. Not really sure if this will do anything, but I just noticed last time it wasn't sticking very well. So now I'm going to take foundation. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation in light tan. This is dark for me, but I want a good contrast between my skin and like the skull side. So basically just doing my makeup however I would normally do it. Put foundation, concealer, and powder on. Just gonna contour. So I'm gonna pick up my Morphe 35B. First, picking up this pinky shade right here. Not even sure if you guys could see that. I'm basically just going to do a big blown out pink smoky eye. This part's easy because you can pretty much do just whatever you want. You can do your normal makeup, whatever you normally do. Okay, so I have that shadow on. I'm going to add winged liner and lashes. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to smoke out some of those same pink colors that are on my eye. Okay, I grabbed this Wet n Wild On Edge Longwear eye pencil. This is in the shade Shock Therapy, so it's like super pink. And I thought it would be cool to try this. We'll see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to try this pencil. I just sharpened it. I don't know why it was broken. It's literally brand new. I don't know how much of this process I'm actually going to show you because it's pretty easy. You just do your makeup however you normally do it or how you want to do it. I am going to add some of this NYX glitter. This is the glitter 06 crystal. Oh my gosh, it's like so pretty. So I want, oh, I just got glitter everywhere. To get some of this glitter glue, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner. and then pick up that glitter and place it on the inner corner like that. That glitter is so pretty. Never used that before. And I just got it everywhere. Oh, gross. Oh my gosh, I hate glitter. Did a glitter skull last year and that was too much glitter for me. Okay, so basically went a little more dramatic. Like I think I want to add a really blinding highlight to below my brow. So I'm just gonna take the same highlight I used on my face, which is the Milani one. And I think I'm gonna highlight under my entire brow. Normally I just focus it under my arch. Okay, so that's this half done. That's the easy part. Now I'm going to start working on this side, which I think I'm going to use the water paints again. I prefer those a little bit more. They're a lot easier to work with. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to go with my lightest foundation, which is the Revlon Color Stay. I have the shade, what shade are you? 150 Buff. And then I grabbed the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace, or in Ghost, which I actually don't like, but I'm hoping that it will set my face really lightly. So then taking that Ghost powder, which I do not like, but I don't like to be wasteful, so I'm using it. Oh, see? I'm like stuck right on there. So I have the foundation on and my face set with that powder that I do not like, and it honestly does not look good. The powder does not at all. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with a small paintbrush with black, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrow. You could fill in your brow with a pencil, with eyeshadow, you could fill it in with anything. I'm just using my paints today. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna paint my teeth. So we'll see how these work with the water paints. And add the nose. Next, I'm just going to map out the teeth with the black and the face. Shading and stuff, but that is the teeth so far. Go ahead and outline the nose. I'm going to take a big brush and paint my neck. next I'm going to go in and start shading everything. I'm just taking a black shadow out of that Morphe 35B. I'm going to start with putting it all over the eye. And I'm going to take a smaller brush, this little pencil looking brush, and start shading under this little skin thing. Like it ripped through right there, so I need to fix that. Okay, so I just have to put a little bit more of the liquid latex on there. Hopefully I can go back and fix that when it starts drying. So then I'm going to take another, this is like a tiny little detailed brush, start shading around the teeth. A small little fluffy brush and just blending out that black shadow. There are some little spots I want to fix with the teeth, so I'm just taking a brush, so picking up that small brush again with the white paint, I'm just gonna touch up. Going back to the eye, just smoking out the lower lash line. I'm going to take that hot pink that I used on the other eye and use that around the edges. Okay, next taking that small fluffy brush again, I'm going to start shading right here. I'm going to take my Urban Decay black eyeliner. I think I'm also going to add lashes to this eye just because. Add that white here. Okay, next I'm going to add highlighter to the high points. Pretty much all over where there's still white. I need to add black a couple places to make it more dramatic. Now I'm just adding black shadow over the top of that black to make it more intense. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my fourth Halloween look for 2018. I really like how it turned out. It was fun to use the liquid latex, which I've never really used before, so that was really fun. It's kind of hard to get foundation to go over it and not look like crazy, but I really like this look. I thought this was fun. I will link my 2018 Halloween playlist down below if you want to see any other looks I've created. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.